Hey, welcome my scrapping friends. I am Vanessa with Scrapping It Up, and this is all about my interactive 12 by 12 pages. So yay. um, I'm in the process of putting two worlds together, our mini album making techniques into our 12 by 12 scrapbook pages. Can you imagine having 4 or 5 albums that you normally would have, and all being in just one album? Yes, one album. So I have created, I'm calling these my interactive 12 by 12 pages. I do have a tutorial that you can purchase. I will tell you, it is a work in progress. All I have right now in there is videos. The cutting guides are coming soon for all these sets. I will be making three different ways that you can store these, and 3 different ways for storage of our album. Okay, so we will be making an album to put these in. I will be putting them in a 3D ring binder too, for the for the more of the beginners, or if you don't want to make an album. Okay, and then I have another way that I'm going to be doing it too, that is geared more for the beginner, medium, advanced user. Okay, so you can go to my website, scrappingitup.com with no G. I will put the link down below to where you can purchase this tutorial, because right now until this Sunday, September the 17th. Is it this Sunday? Anyway, September the 17th. This tutorial right now is 50% off. I have all my tutorials 50% off. So go grab it while it's a low price, because I will tell you, once I start getting everything in that file, the cutting guides and the storage and the album, the price is going to go up, guys. I can guarantee it, because this is going to be a huge, huge project. All right, now I'm not for sure how much this set will hold, so when we get towards the end, I will figure that up, and we'll see how much this set holds. All right, so this set here, let's do one at a time. So we have a flap right here, and this opens up. So then you have this. I just kind of collaged it all up. I'm probably going to get it off camera. Okay, we're still on camera. So these open up like this. And they open up like this. I love this set. This is one of my favorite sets. It really is. I love this set. So these open up. We have some pockets right here. This one pocket here doesn't go all the way down. It's a shorter pocket. Now, this is a belly band. So this slides out. And then this opens up. Look at that. Look at that spread, guys. Beautiful. A nice way of using that big 12 by 12 paper, and all I did was just cut it right here and just divided it a little bit. Beautiful. And I didn't put nothing on the back, and just slides right back in here. I guess we should count the photos while we're in this. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You could probably even put more in there if you wanted. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Probably about 40 photos in this one. And you probably even get more in there. So that one has 40. All right. I used to have sticky notes on these because I used to know what they could hold, and somehow my sticky notes disappeared. So here is the other set, or the other side. Here we have a belly band, and this is what we call a stopper. So that way they don't fall out, they don't go anywhere, okay? So then this opens up here. So look at that, and we have a pocket here, and then a pocket here. Pretty neat. Oh, we'll just put it that way. And then we have another waterfall. Look. Yeah, you guys don't want to miss out on this. I mean, this is going to be huge. And right now, I do have it at a very low price. So, yes, go to scrappingitup.com. And, oh, I need to figure out how many pictures this one will hold. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this one will hold roughly, I'm going to say 70 to 80 photos is what this one will hold. Now, ain't that awesome, guys? You know, time you get done, you're going to have an album that will hold roughly 600 photos versus an album, you know, 4 or 5 sitting on a shelf. You're just going to have one. And this will include storage. And yeah, you guys don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out on this. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section of what you think of this. I would love to hear what you guys are thinking about this. All right? All right. I've got a couple more to get posted. And I hope you guys enjoy this. And thanks for watching. And we will talk to you girls later. Talk to you guys later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.